Hi guys, my name is Ms. Butterfly. Welcome to my video. Today we're gonna read my brand new book. Look, it just came in the mail today. Like it, guys? You knew I was a wolfer. So let's start. Ms. Butterfly's Budgies. It's called Ms. Butterfly's Budgies. Mothers and fathers, let's read together and help your kids learn to love books. This is a digital version of my book, Ms. Butterfly's Budgies by Ms. Butterfly, illustrated by Ms. Butterfly. This book belongs to Ms. Butterfly. Dedication. I would like to dedicate this book to all the children in the world that love books and love learning to read. Enjoy your studies and always try your best. Love, Ms. Butterfly. This is Rosie. She is a budgerica. Oh, look everyone. She's going bleh. So she is on a tree. This is autumn leaves. It was winter, means they're breaking, and leaves also fall down and die on the floor. Rosie is very sweet, but she was lonely. Oh, look at her crying. Oh, so sweet. So everyone, she is lonely. She doesn't have a friend. So Miss Butterfly bought Steve for Rosie to have a friend. It says pet store. Look, Steve. This is me. Do you know why you can't see his leg properly? Is bending it. And that is me, the one with a pink coat. Look, that's me at the pet store buying Steve. He's so cute, isn't he? Steve was so gentle and lovely. He always gave birdseed to Rosie. Oh, look, some birdseed. There was birdseed over here. Did you know how Steve got it? Anyone? He used his beak and he pushed it and shared the meal with Rosie. She was very happy with him. Very, very, very happy with him. Rosie, Steve, and Miss Butterfly happily played in the garden together every day. Those flowers smell so good. Look at my two budgies. I took them out of the cage, but they didn't fly away because they were happy looking at those lovely flowers. Did you know that tree was away? We were going where there was flowers. But on one cold night, Steve passed away. He was so young he couldn't handle the cold because he was so little. Rosie was a bit stronger so she could handle the cold if it's one windy night. Steve will always be in our hearts. Look at that. That's my head and Rosie's head. She's a budgerica. They're our hearts. The small one is Rosie's. The big one is mine. thank you for reading. I hope you enjoyed the story. On the following pages, you will find some bird coloring activities. Let's all practice together. Love, Ms. Butterfly. These are my magic pens. I used them to color my illustrations. This is a magical one, guys. Wow. It's nice, isn't it? If you color with the brown pen and you use the magic pen to draw over it, it changes. Look at it. That is it. And that is it. Whoa. If you would like to buy these pens, the link is down below. Hit that button. If you would like to buy my book, it is available on Amazon. The link is down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.